guys, my name is Princess Joan. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, but I am back, gang. So basically I was really busy like studying and stuff, so I couldn't dedicate myself to YouTube, but I am back. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to install with you guys my LED lights I bought from Amazon. I know you guys missed me. I also missed you guys. Yeah, but I'm trying my possible best to do videos for you guys. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and also to click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get right into the video. The room is very small. It's so small, so I just bought 5 meters of, what is it? 1 minute. So I just bought 5 meters. Let me open it with you guys. I've never opened it, so how do we open it? Okay, let's try. Oops. Okay, anyways, okay, here. Oh wow. Now I'm going to show you guys what is in this box. So we have the remote control, which you're going to use to change the colors and stuff. Then we have 3 strips of the LED lights, obviously. And then we have the power cord, which is this one, and the power adapter. This one is basically going to be, I think, adapted right here to these 3 pins. Yeah, and then connect everything and the lights are on. So let's just get right into it. So before we get started, let me read this guide little book and see so that I don't do any mistake.
2,000 years later.
I'm back, so let's get started. Let me untie this wire. Okay, we are here. Okay, it's not bad, it's long like that. Okay, then later on we are going to attach this right here, I guess. Okay, then what am I doing?
Eventually,
So now I'm going to attach it. So I think it's something like this. Okay, one is gone. Then it says we have to attach it to the other one. Okay, I guess something like this. 2. And then this one is going right here. I don't know. Okay, so I think something like this. Yeah, this one, stick it out. It's kind of complicated, but we have to be patient. Is it done? Let's try it. So guys, now I'm going to plug the power adapter. Like, I'm letting my little sister do it so that I show you guys how the lights are going to turn on. No, I still need that. Bravo. Spingy. Okay, so they are working. Don't know if you guys can see words. So now we are going to stick them on the wall. Since my room is so small, I'm going to show you guys first of all, and then I'm also going to, you know, see where I can put these. Let's get right into it. I finally figured out how to stick them on the wall. So you're just going to tear off this part and then stick this part to the wall. So let's go.
O'clock midnight.
I'm done, but I didn't use all the strip lights because I have one strip and half. Like this is full, even full. Yeah, I just used a little bit because as I said earlier on, my room is so small. So yeah, I think 5 meters is a whole lot. I'm going to use this maybe in another room. And here is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video will help someone. So if you're new here, as I said earlier on, don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video. Bye.